I bet you didn't know how wild the 2025 market is going to be. Fasten your seatbelts. 2025 market turbulence ahead. Buckle up, investors. The financial landscape is about to get a lot more interesting. With global economies in flux and new market dynamics emerging, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. 2025 is shaping up to be a wild ride. Analysts are predicting unprecedented volatility, with both risks and opportunities on the horizon. The stock market is expected to experience significant fluctuations, making it a challenging yet potentially rewarding environment for savvy investors. The market is primed for a major shift. Factors such as technological advancements, geopolitical tensions, and changing consumer behaviors are all contributing to this anticipated turbulence. Investors need to be agile and ready to pivot their strategies at a moment's notice. Forget what you think you know. Traditional investment wisdom may no longer apply in this new era. It's time to rethink and reevaluate your approach to investing. The old rules are being rewritten, and only those who can adapt will thrive. This isn't your grandpa's market. We're in uncharted territory. The rapid pace of innovation and the interconnectedness of global markets mean that change can happen overnight. Staying ahead of the curve is more important than ever. The good news? Fortunes will be made. For those who can navigate the complexities and seize the right opportunities, the potential for significant financial gains is immense. It's a time for bold moves and calculated risks. The bad news? Fortunes will be lost. The same volatility that creates opportunities also brings substantial risks. Poorly timed decisions or a lack of preparation can lead to significant financial losses. It's a high-stakes game, and not everyone will come out on top. Are you ready to come out on top? This isn't about gambling. It's about strategy. Successful investors will need to rely on thorough research, careful planning, and a deep understanding of market trends. It's about making informed decisions and staying disciplined. It's about understanding the forces at play. From economic indicators to political developments, every factor can influence market movements. Staying informed and being able to interpret these signals will be key to navigating the turbulence. And it's about acting decisively. Hesitation can be costly in a fast-moving market. Those who can make quick, informed decisions will have a significant advantage. It's a time for confidence and conviction. The winners will be those who can anticipate the changes, adapt to the volatility, and seize the opportunities. Don't get left behind. The market rewards those who are proactive and prepared. Stay ahead of the game and be ready to capitalize on the shifts. Get ready to make some serious moolah. The opportunities are out there for those who are ready to take them. With the right approach, 2025 could be a year of incredible financial success. So gear up and get ready to ride the wave of market turbulence. Economic dashboard, reading the warning lights. Before you even think about investing, you need to understand the broader economic landscape. You got to know what's happening in the economy. It's like having a map before you start a journey. Think of it like your car's dashboard. Just as you wouldn't drive without checking your car's vital signs, you shouldn't invest without understanding economic indicators. Ignore the warning lights and you're headed for a breakdown. The same goes for ignoring economic signals. First, we got inflation. It's a silent killer, eating away at your returns. When prices rise, your money's purchasing power decreases. Keep a close eye on the Consumer Price Index. This index measures the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for goods and services. It tells you how much prices are rising. A sharp increase can signal trouble ahead. Next up, interest rates. Think of them as the brakes on the economy. When rates go up, borrowing costs rise, which can slow down economic activity. When rates are high, borrowing gets expensive, and businesses slow down. This can lead to reduced investments and hiring. Watch the Federal Reserve. They're the ones calling the shots. Their decisions on interest rates can have a huge impact on the economy. Finally, keep an eye on unemployment. High unemployment usually means trouble in paradise. It can indicate a struggling economy. The Bureau of Labor Statistics releases monthly reports. Study them. These reports provide insights into the health of the job market, which is crucial for understanding economic trends. Riding the stock market roller coaster. Highs and lows. The stock market, where dreams are made and broken. 2025 is going to be a roller coaster. Tech stocks have been on fire, but are they overvalued? Keep an eye on the NASDAQ. Energy stocks are making a comeback, but for how long? Watch oil prices like a hawk. And then there's the wild card. Artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing everything, and the companies at the forefront stand to make a killing. But don't just buy blindly. Do your research. Look for companies with solid fundamentals, strong earnings, low debt, and a clear vision for the future. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Bricks and mortar or bust. Navigating the real estate labyrinth. Real estate, it's tangible, it's emotional, it's confusing as heck in 2025. The days of easy money in real estate are over. Interest rates are rising, making mortgages more expensive. Demand is cooling down. But here's the thing. People will always need a place to live. So what's an investor to do? Focus on niche markets. Look for properties with strong rental potential. Student housing, senior living, affordable housing. Location, location, location is still key. And don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. Section 5. Crypto Conundrum. Digital gold or fool's gold? Cryptocurrency. The wild west of the financial world. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. So many choices, so much volatility. Is crypto here to stay, or is it just a passing fad? Honestly, nobody knows for sure. But one thing's for sure. Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game. If you're going to play, play smart. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research. Understand the technology behind each coin. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one digital basket. Section 6. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Here's a golden rule of investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Why? Because if that basket drops, you lose everything. Spread your risk. Invest in a mix of assets, stocks, bonds, real estate. Maybe even a little crypto if you're feeling adventurous. The idea is to create a portfolio that can weather any storm. When one asset class is down, another might be up. This helps to protect your capital and grow your wealth over the long term. Remember, diversification is your best friend in the market. Section 7. Risk versus reward. High stakes, higher potential returns. Investing is all about balancing risk and reward. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk. It's like climbing a mountain. The higher you climb, the better the view, but also the greater the chance of falling. Before you invest, ask yourself, how much risk am I comfortable taking? What's my time horizon? Am I investing for the short term or the long term? Once you know your risk tolerance, you can choose investments that align with your goals. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about what's right for you. Section 8. The Kramer Blueprint. Your roadmap to financial success. This section is designed to provide you with a comprehensive guide to achieving financial success in the modern world. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these steps will help you navigate the complex financial landscape. All right, enough theory. Let's talk strategy. It's time to put knowledge into action and create a solid plan that will lead you to financial independence. Here's the Kramer Blueprint for winning in 2025. 1. Educate yourself. The foundation of any successful financial plan is education. Knowledge is power. Read books, follow financial news, take online courses. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Stay updated with the latest trends and insights in the financial world. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. 2. Control your finances. This means taking a hard look at your current financial situation and making necessary adjustments. Get your financial house in order. Pay down debt, create a budget, and start saving. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial obligations. The more you save, the more you can invest. 3. Define your goals. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential for staying motivated and focused on your financial journey. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you looking to build a retirement fund, save for a down payment on a house, or perhaps start a business? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Knowing your goals will help you create a focused and effective investment strategy. Knowing your goals will help you stay focused and motivated. 4. Develop a plan. A well-thought-out plan is your roadmap to financial success. Create an investment plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This plan should be detailed and realistic, taking into account your current financial situation and future aspirations. This will serve as your roadmap to financial success. And 5. Stay disciplined. Discipline is key to sticking to your plan and achieving your financial goals. The market will test your emotions. There will be times when you feel anxious or uncertain about your investments. There will be ups and downs, but don't panic sell. It's important to stay calm and stick to your long-term plan, even when the market is volatile. Stick to your plan and ride out the volatility. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll achieve your goals. Section 9. Knowledge is power. Invest in yourself, invest in your future. The 2025 market shift is coming. Are you ready? Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Don't rely on luck. Rely on knowledge, preparation, and a sound investment strategy. The time to act is now. Invest in yourself, invest in your education, and invest in your future. The rewards will be worth it. Now go out there and make some money.